Okay, if your presser foot on your machine seems to be twisting back and forth like this, isn't a real hard problem to fix. Pretty simple. We'll go ahead and show you how. The two tools you will want for this repair are a Phillips head screwdriver as well as a small Allen wrench. And those are the only two tools you'll need. First, what you'll want to do is you'll want to open this lid like so. I'm going to go ahead and turn this to the side, and right inside of here are two little screws, one here and one here. You're going to go ahead and you're going to want to take those out. That'll just make it easier for you to access the inside. We're just going to take this door off, and that goes, and just set that to the side, and that goes ahead and brings that door off. Then we'll want to take out the light bulb. You just push up and twist to the left, and the light bulb will come right out. Now, you'll want to, on the top of the machine here, there is a pressure button. You'll want to press this outer ring because you want the pressure to be totally off of the presser foot. So if this is down in any way, just go ahead and press this outer ring, and it'll pop this middle piece up. That means the pressure is down to the lowest it'll go on the presser foot. We have the presser foot in the up position right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to lower it to the down position. This way I can kind of square it up to the feed dogs. You can see the feed dogs right here. That kind of gives you a an area to a guide to square it up. And whenever you're done squaring it up, you want to kind of just take right here and just push down just to make sure it's flush with the feed dogs. It might drop a little bit. See, I can raise it up, but I'm going to push it down, and I want it pushed all the way down and squared up. Now, with one finger holding this down, holding down on the thumb screw, that'll push it down into the lowest position, and that's fine. Now you can lift it up just ever so gently, and it'll lift up. Right inside of here, behind the light bulb, is a set screw. It's a little Allen wrench set screw, and it's right here. And we're going, after we lift the presser foot up, don't touch this because you've got the presser foot where you want it centered and height-wise and everything. So don't touch that. Just go ahead and insert your Allen wrench, and ever so gently just give it a nice little turn. I did it this way so I could go ahead and make sure it's secure. Then I'm going to turn my Allen wrench this way and go ahead, and that way I get leverage, give it a little more oomph, and you can't really over tighten it, just, you know, thumb tight. I mean, just tighten it as much as you possibly can go. Now that will keep the presser foot from twisting, and you should also have your height right. And then of course you can go ahead and turn back on your pressure. The little line right here on this, when you have it pressed down, is normal. All the way down is obviously extreme pressure, but I'm going to go ahead and have it on normal. Then we're going to go ahead and put the machine back together. First thing we're going to do is put the light bulb back in. There's two dots on this light bulb. You want to line those up with the slots here on the socket. Push up and then twist to the right. That'll lock the light bulb in place. Then we want to put our door back on, and here are the two screw holes for doing that. And we'll go ahead and secure the door. Get my screws here, and I'm going to put the top screw in first. I'm not going to tighten it all the way because we need to get the bottom screw in, and then we'll be able to tighten it the rest of the way, because we might need to adjust it a little. Now once you're doing the second screw, you can go ahead and tighten that, and then we'll go ahead and tighten the top screw here, and your door should shut like that. If your door doesn't shut and isn't flush or doesn't click in any way, then no problem. Again, not a big deal. Just loosen these screws, and you may need to realign the door, but it's pretty easy to get it on the first try. So now we've got that done, and go ahead and turn the machine around here, and we'll lift up the presser foot, and our presser foot doesn't rotate and is nice and solid and has good pressure on it. And that's how you secure a loose presser foot on this particular sewing machine.